Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Noice Tender Coconut Water. So guys, this is a tender coconut water product from Noice, and in today's market you have a lot of companies that are coming out with tender coconut water. And one thing I have noticed is basically most of these brands, they provide these tender coconut water bottles, but that's not actually like, it's made not natural tender coconut water, but it's made from concentrate, right? By mixing water, like they dry the coconut and water and then they make concentrate, and I don't know the process, but that's how it's made. But Noise has come out with pure tender coconut water, natural tender coconut water, and today we are going to review this. So guys, let's start off with the packaging of the product. It comes packaged in this PET bottle right here, 200 ml PET bottle, like we can see right here. It has a Noise branding on top of it. In the face of it, you can see Noise written right here. It says natural coconut water, no preservatives, zero added sugar, natural electrolytes, and then coconuts are shown right here. Uh, yeah, pure 18 symbol is here. Now coming to the MRP of this, the MRP is rupees 74, which is written right here, and this is a 200 ml pack that we have with me. So net quantity is 200 ml, and ingredients is nothing but tender coconut water 100%. So there's no concentrate, there's no water mix, nothing. Just tender coconut, 100% tender coconut water added right here. What makes it Noise? They're given right here. What makes it Noise? No concentrate, no powders, no added sugars, no what is this? No aroma, no drama, no drama. Just the real stuff, straight from your tender coconuts. Is the closest you will get to cracking one open on a beach, minus the sand you drink, minus the sand in your drink. Okay. Natural coconut water manufactured by VSA Foods and Beverages, marketed by Skutsi Logistics. For complaints and feedback of Bagheera Bagheera, all those information is given right here on the pack. So this is 100% coconut water right here. Now let's see on the cap. It says Noise again. You can see the Noise branding on the cap also. It says Pierce seal one. Okay, they are given the method: twist open, break, notch, and then pierce seal. So there is a seal inside. It comes sealed with aluminum foil, and then there's a notch right here. You have to pierce it with this notch. You can see the notch. This notch, yeah. With this, you need to pierce it, and let's open it right now. Okay, very clean opening. You can see. And now we are going to do a taste test of the Noise coconut, natural coconut water. Tastes really like natural coconut water, not sweetened by adding sugars, nothing. Pure coconut water as it is. Feels nice, feels refreshing. I've tried multiple others, and apart, like I tried other brands, and they are all made of concentrates except for Noise. And I found one more online. I think it's YUU. That also comes as 100% coconut, natural coconut water, and I've tasted that as well. And the taste differs from bottle to bottle, so that actually tells you that this is actually tender coconut water without any addition to it, right? Just like the natural tender coconut water, which tastes different from coconut to coconut. That's the same thing you find with Noise and with you. The taste is very different every time you open a bottle. It depends on the coconut water, the water from which coconut comes. So yeah, tastes great. I really liked it. Next best thing to the natural coconut water that you would get by cracking up a coconut. You have the same water packaged in a bottle, PET bottle, without the hassle of cracking up a coconut. And the MRP is rupees 74. Today coconuts also come for rupees 90, and you get in like something around 200 250 ml water in a coconut, and this is a 200 ml PET bottle, easy to carry with you. So yeah, if you are looking to buy the Noise coconut water, it's available online on Swiggy, or you can buy it from there. Let me know if you have already tried this out. Let me know in the comments how was your experience with it. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.